Hey fourth graders, welcome to Math Lesson 105. Today we're going to talk about how to divide large numbers by 10. Now we look back and know that we know how to already divide normal numbers by a smaller dividend like the number 4. So if we practice 545 divided by 4, we know that we start by asking how many times does 4 fit into 5? Once, just 4. Take that away, bring down. 4 fits into 14 3 times, and that is 12. Bring down. And 4 fits into 35 8 times, which is 32. And we have 3 left over, which means that our 3 becomes our remainder. Now, when we are dividing numbers by 10, it can be just as easy, even though it looks a little bit trickier. So we can try one way, which is to divide how many times does 10 go into 5? Well, we know 10 doesn't go into 5. How many times does 10 go into 54? Well, 10 times 5 is 50, so it fits into 54 5 times. We subtract, bring down, and start again. How many times does 10 fit into 45? It fits in 4 times because 10 times 4 is 40. And 40 minus 45 is 5. And that means that our answer is 54 remainder 5. Now, that's the long way to do it, but there's a trick. The easy way to do it is to first just make the last digit inside of the division problem your remainder. So we would just say that our answer here is 83, remainder 0, which we know technically we don't even have to say remainder 0. We can just say 83. So let's look at another one. 725 divided by 10 would simply become 72, and our last digit is 5, and so our 5 becomes our remainder. So our answer would be 72, remainder 5. Now another way to write this answer is to use a decimal point. And we can just add a decimal point instead of a remainder. So instead of 72 remainder 5, it would be 72 decimal point 5. These two numbers are the same and they are both the right answer. Let's try another one. 680 divided by 10 would immediately become 68 remainder 0. We don't have to write the remainder, so it's just 68. Here's another one. 901 divided by 10 would simply become 90, remainder 1, also known as 90.1. Same answers, same thing.